Role of microbes in the production of biogas. Biogas is the gas produced with the help of microbes such as bacteria. This biogas mainly contains methane gas. It is the main component of biogas. Besides methane, it may also contain carbon dioxide, hydrogen sulfide or hydrogen gas. The type of gases present in biogas depends upon type of microbes used for their production and organic substrate used for the production. So most common bacteria which are used for biogas production are methanogens. Methanogens are group of bacteria. Example is Methanobacterium. These are anaerobic bacteria which digest cellulose into methane, carbon dioxide and hydrogen, that is biogas. These are present in anaerobic sludge. We have just discussed in sewage treatment plant. In anaerobic sludge, these bacteria are present and they help in production of biogas during sewage treatment. These bacteria are also found in rumen. Rumen is part of stomach of cattle where they help in digestion of cellulose. We know that cattle eat plants. Plants contain cellulose. So these bacteria, they are present in stomach of cows and buffaloes and they help in digestion of cellulose. So these bacteria are also present in cow dung. That is why cow dung is used for production of biogas because it contains lot of anaerobic bacteria as well as cellulose. So this is picture of biogas plant. It is made up of concrete and it is covered by a floating lid. Lid is kept floating so that when gas is collected in this chamber, it may not be blown away. At the top, there is a pipe through which biogas can be taken out and used for various purposes. Now this is diagram of biogas plant. It consists of three chambers. One is inlet chamber, second is anaerobic sludge digester, and third is outlet chamber. This anaerobic sludge digester is 15-meter deep underground tank made up of concrete and bricks. It is covered by a floating lid or floating gas holder, and at the top a pipe is provided to take out the gas. This is inlet chamber which is above the ground, and this is outlet chamber that is also above the ground level. All these chambers are connected through pipes. This is inlet pipe, this is outlet pipe. Now in the inlet chamber or in the mixing tank, slurry of cattle. What is slurry? Cow dung mixed with water is fed, and this slurry will go into anaerobic sludge digester through this inlet pipe. Here, since conditions are anaerobic, so anaerobic bacteria, methanogens or methanobacteria, they will start multiplying here. They will digest cellulose present in the cow dung and produce biogas. Biogas being lighter will be collected in gas holder from where it is taken by pipe from time to time. Now when this slurry it is used, it will go into the next chamber which is outlet chamber through outlet pipe. From here this spent slurry or used slurry is taken out and can be used as manure in the fields. So this is the structure and working of biogas plant. So here I have made a flow chart of biogas plant. It has three chambers: inlet chamber in which slurry is added, then the slurry goes into digester which is anaerobic chamber where anaerobic microbes will produce biogas from cellulose of cow dung, then outlet chamber in which spent slurry goes which can be collected and used as manure in the fields. The technology of biogas production was developed in India mainly by the efforts of two organizations. One is Indian Agriculture Research Institute, that is IARI, and second is Khadi and Village Industries Commission, that is KBIC. These two organizations make efforts to develop and popularize this technique in India.